Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the camera controllable on the client, open Roblox Studio, and ensure you have a character model and workspace ready. Once done, create a local script inside starter player scripts because cameras are best handled client-side. This prevents replication issues. Next, set workspace. Current camera. Camera type to scriptable so you take full control of position and orientation. Make sure to reference game, players, local player, and workspace. Current camera early, because you'll use them immediately to calculate offsets and apply smoothing. Now you implement the core camera logic. Compute a desired C-frame from your target's position plus an offset, and choose a look at point to control where it faces. Then connect to run service. Render stepped so you update the camera every frame. This gives smooth tracking without server lag. To avoid jitter, interpolate between the current camera C-frame and desired C-frame using C-frame, lerp with a small alpha, or lerp vectors for translational damping. Make sure to clamp distances and angles so the camera never clips geometry. To finish, handle lifecycle. On character respawn or when the script disables, restore camera type and reconnect your references, because failing to do so leaves players stuck in scriptable mode. Once done, test and play solo and play client to confirm behavior under normal conditions. If you see jitter or stutter, make sure updates run in render stepped, confirm the camera code runs on the client, and increase your lerp smoothing. If clipping happens, adjust offsets and use raycasts to push the camera forward when obstructed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.